Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install these updates, that is KB5017321, KB5017026. So after updating your Windows 11 to 22H2, if you're unable to install these updates on your Windows 11 computer, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to run update troubleshooter. For this, go to the start menu, then click on settings. Now go to system, click on troubleshoot. Now click on other troubleshooters. Over here you can see Windows Update. Click on Run. Now once the troubleshoot is complete, restart your computer and update your Windows 11 once again. Now still you are unable to install it, then restart Windows Update and Background Intelligent Transfer Service. For this, type in Services in Windows search box and then click on Services. Now go to Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set it to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. With Windows Update selected over here, click on restart the service. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, again set it to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then click on OK. Now with background intelligent transfer service, you can make a right click and then click on, let me refresh this. Yeah, so select it and then click on restart the service. Now once done, try to update your Windows 11 once again. Still you are unable to install, in that case use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now this has worked for many users, so it might work for you. So copy this link, the link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser, it will take you to Microsoft Update Catalog website. Now over here, enter the name of the update. So whichever update is not installing, for example KB5017321, this is not installing for many users, so copy this update, or you can write down the update over here and then click on search and download the right version. So for Windows 11 22H2 x64 base system, so this is the right one for me. Yeah, this one. You can check the version. You can go to settings, then go to system, and then click on about. And over here, my 64-bit operating system. So this is the one, Windows 11 version 22H2 x64 base system. So click on download over here. Now once you see the screen, click on this blue hyperlink and then let the download complete. Now once the download is complete, run this file. Click on it, run this file and install this update manually. This has worked for many users, so it might work for you. So try to install it manually. Now the next step is to use Windows 11 Installation Assistant. For this, copy this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Here you can see Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Click on download now. Now run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. In my case, this is already running. So if there is any update over here, pending update, you will see the accept and install options. So you can use Windows 11 Installation Assistant to update your Windows 11. Now the next step is to reset Windows Update components. For this, copy all these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. So copy the command till here. Now type in Notepad in Windows search box. Open Notepad on your computer. Paste all the command over here. Now go to file, then click on save as. Set the location as desktop. Now name this file as wuauserv.bat. And for save as type, select all files and then now click on save. Now go to desktop, make a right click on wuauserv file and then click on run as administrator. Make sure that you're opening this file as an administrator. Click on yes to allow. Now it will, first of all, it will stop all the Windows Update services and then it will run some scans. Now there are a couple of scans, so the scan will take some time. Now once the scan is complete, it will restart all the Windows Update services. Now once all the process is complete, once the scan is complete, once it restarts all the Windows Update services, It will close itself. Once the process is complete, restart your computer and then update your Windows 11 once again. Now the last step is to use media creation tool to update your Windows 11.
Go to this website. Here also you will find media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. Click on yes to allow. Now this will load Windows 11 media creation tool. Now click on accept. By default Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file, then click on next. You can save the location. You can set the location as desktop and then click on save over here. Now once the download is complete, click on finish and then go to desktop, find Windows ISO file, make a double click on Windows ISO file, then run the setup file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow. This will load Windows 11 now. And here you can see install Windows 11, click on next. It will check for update, then click on accept. Again, it will check for update. Now before the installation, you will see the screen which says ready to install, and by default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. Click on install. After the installation, log into your computer.
So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to download and install all these updates on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.